Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today, we are going to end with the letter M, 50 words of advanced, henceforth, presented before you. Stand as they are without any further delay. Let's get right into it. Magnanimous Sudhar. His magnanimous gesture towards his opponent won him the admiration of many. Maladroit, Ayogya. His maladroit handling of the situation made things worse. Malaise, swasthata. The country is facing a malaise in its economy. Malcontent, asantusht. The malcontent workers staged a protest against the management. Malfeasance, durachar. The politician was accused of malfeasance during his tenure. Malleability, lachilapan. Gold has high malleability, making it useful for jewelry. Manifesto, Ghoshana Patra. The party released a manifesto outlining their policies for the upcoming election. Manifold, vivid. The problem is manifold causes which need to be addressed separately. Manipulate, herfer karna. He tried to manipulate the situation for his own benefit. Manumission, mukti. The manumission of slaves was a pivotal movement in history. Marrow, asthi, majja. The marrow of the issue lies in the lack of communication. The main part भी कह सकते हैं उसको. Martinet, कठोर अनुशासन रखने वाला व्यक्ति. The teacher was a martinet, never allowing any deviation from the rules. Masquerade, नकली रूप धारण करना प्रदर्शन. The event was a masquerade ball with everyone wearing elaborate costumes. Matriarch, matri pradhan. The matriarch of the family made all the important decisions. Maudlin, Ati vriddh bhavuk. Her maudlin sobbing made everyone uncomfortable. Maxim, Siddhant. The maxim, practice makes perfect, is widely accepted. Megalomania, Mahatvakankshi Mastishk. His megalomania led him to make rational decisions. खुद को भगवान समझना. Mellifluous, मीठी आवाज. The singer's mellifluous voice captivated the audience. Mendacious, jhuta. His mendacious statements were exposed during the trial. Mendicant, bhikshuk. The mendicant asked for food on the streets. Mercurial, parivartanshil. His mercurial nature made it difficult to predict his reactions. Metamorphosis, rupantaran. The caterpillar's metamorphosis into a butterfly is a wonder of nature. Meticulous, sukshma. The meticulous artist spent hours perfecting every detail of the painting. Microcosm, sukshma brahmand. The small village was a microcosm of the entire country's culture. Minutiae, barikiyan. The report focused on the minutiae of the investigation. Misapprehension, galat dharana. The conflict arose due to a misapprehension between the two parties. Miscreant, dusht vyakti. The miscreant was arrested for his involvement in the robbery. Misogyny, stri dvesh. His misogyny was evident in the way he spoke about women. Mnemonic, smarana smaran. The mnemonic PMDAS helps students remember the order of operations in math, like BODMAS. Modicum, thoda sa. She had a modicum of hope that things would improve. Mollify, shant karna. She tried to mollify the angry customer with a discount. Monastic, matvasi. He lived a monastic life, focusing only on prayer and meditation. Monolithic, ekal roop. The monolithic statue stood proudly in the center of the square. Monomania, ekal vritti. His monomania for collecting rare stamps became all-consuming. Moribund, marana san. The moribund company was struggling to keep up with the competition. Mordant, tivreya katu. His mordant remarks left everyone feeling uncomfortable. Myopic, nikat drishti. His myopic views on the issue prevented him from seeing the bigger picture. Multifarious, vivid. The multifarious challenges of the project required a team effort. Munificent, tudar. The munificent donation helped the organization provide aid to thousands. Mutable, parivartanshil. His mutable opinions made it hard to predict his stance on issues. Myrmidon, anuchar. He was nothing more than a myrmidon to his ruthless boss. Macabre, bhutiya. The macabre scene at the crime scene shocked everyone. Magniloquent, atishayuktapun. The politician's magniloquent speech was filled with empty promises. Malapropism, Shabd vinyas ka galat upyog. The malapropism made everyone laugh during the meeting. Malapropos, anupayukt. The malaproposed comment caused discomfort among the guests. Malevolent, dusht. The malevolent character in the story caused chaos and suffering. Malodorous, badbudar. The malodorous garbage had to be taken out immediately. Mawkish, bhavuk. The movie's mawkish scenes made me roll my eyes. Medullary, majja sambandhi. Medullary thyroid cancer is a rare but aggressive form of cancer. Megalomaniacal, mahatvakankshi. The megalomaniacal leader believed he could control everything. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.